So as you're walking, videos. That's pretty cool. Excellent. So this is a rabbit resort. We're a smaller place than where you're staying. I think they have, I'm not sure how many rooms they have, but we only have 24 houses. These are just houses, not a high rise or anything. It's very cute and private and small and quaint, and it's a quiet place. It's for people who want to rest and read and sleep and stuff like that. This way. We have two pools. This is supposed to be like a historic Thai village because our consumer research said that people wanted to stay in a place that was Thai instead of all concrete. So that's what we built. The adult section, adult pool area. You can see most people like to just chill out here. We have a lot of birds and squirrels and butterflies, and it's like a nature park. Let's give this to my guy here. Hi, thank you. And all of our rooms are one or two story only. You can see we use a lot of wood, and it's supposed to be kind of like the idea of the historic Thai village. You can see it's very quiet. This is kind of like this. The look of hotel of the houses, one room up and one room down. You can rent one room, or you can look in for hey hi. Where is it going to be? Okay, thank you so much. We have beautiful birds here. And this is we have to drop off this too and that other. But we have 10 drive, which is about 4 acres total.
Oh wow.
Don't use it all. We have a vegetable garden and things like that. This is the family pool, so that everybody can be themselves and be loud or whatever they want to do.
Lovely property.
And these houses are authentic from central Thailand, and my husband found them, and they were not good condition. Knocked it down, shipped it here, and we renovated them. And we do weddings and we do parties, and they're just beautiful. Oh, the museum, that is all the rabbits that the people brought with them to give to us. Yeah. So they have just small, medium rabbits that they just brought to share. This is our house right here. Hi. We have a lot of flowers, beautiful landscaping. Hi, lady. Hi. We have personal service. We try to get to know everybody and help them if we can. And we really care about the guest. And oh, kind of. But we've been open 26 years. So we have a lot of return guests as well. And the reason it's called Rabbit is because my husband, he's is born in the year of the Chinese rabbit. He's Thai. He's Thai Chinese, so that's why it's named Rabbit. Everybody asks me that question.